Telecommunications firm Symbiote Investments, which trades as Carousel, is to halt all communication operations with immediate effect. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, through a press release this morning, gave details on the order, which was handed down in an appeal court decision on Friday.
The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, says it will be exercising its powers under the Telecommunications Act to ensure that Symbiote complies with the appeal court's decision. The court on Friday ruled that Symbiote is not authorized to own or operate a telecoms facility, nor is it permitted to provide telecommunications or other specified services as defined in the Telecommunications Act. According to the OUR, the Court of Appeal denied Symbiote's application for a stay of the Minister of Technology's decision to revoke its telecommunications licenses. The court also set aside the order granting it permission to appeal. The Court of Appeal also refused Symbiote's request that a temporary stay be granted until it makes an application for permission to appeal to the Privy Council. On July 12 last year, the Technology Minister indicated that effective April 10, 2018, the telecommunications licenses issued to Symbiote were revoked. Symbiote challenged the decision, but on December 7, the Supreme Court denied its application for leave to apply for judicial review of the minister's decision. Symbiote went to the Court of Appeal for leave to appeal the Supreme Court's decision and for a stay of execution of the decision, which resulted in the ruling from the Court of Appeal on Friday.